mountain, and we can also say it marble run. And this is how it explains a little bit how it goes. 3 steps, and this is a kid's game, and this is how it looks like. Play master, it says.
Let's open it. Please, let's open it.
And this is
Let's open it.
this is the other side.
Let's open it.
And this is the last slide. Yeah. So let's open it.
Yep.
That's what I think.
How shall we open?
This is all the pieces and marbles inside, and this is the constructions, and this is how it looks, how it's built together and made, and these are this is how much of things we have inside. So let's open it. So this is the first piece.
I found the marble.
Oh, good job. Oh, I found one. 4, 5. Kids, look at these marbles.
Yeah.
They're mini.
Yeah.
This is even smaller than I expected. Wow. Oh, good. These are lots of things.
I found the marble.
Oh, I got this. Oh. Whoa, Risha, wow.
Yes, mommy.
And this is the constructions again. This is the instructions again. Oh, there's one marble in there. There's one marble in there. We build it at last, and first look at how this all looks like.
Let me put one too.
Wow. Okay, I'm putting it here because it's wow. Wow.
Now
All of them are from
My
the same place.
and it's my turn.
Then I'll go here.
I know.
All of them goes here.
Okay, now just the man.
Okay, let's do some more here.
Yeah.
Wow.
My turn.
Okay. Wow.
I'm just spinning the wheel. So nice.
Oh.
Stuck right there.
Go on, please.
Why? How did you get stuck?
I think it's my turn. Now it's my turn. I am.
Okay. I forgot. I have 3 more. We both have 3 more.
You got 2 left.
No. 5.
Kids. 1 left.
Oh, look at this. Okay, why did we not put it? We put it on everyone. So let's put it here. Yeah, I did not put it.
Should I
Oh no! Come on, come on. Oh no. Oh, all of them are coming from here. What?
My one is all lost.
Now me and Mommy's gonna put it together. So let's go. Mommy's going faster. I want to do it. Everyone's going to do it. I'm going to put them one by one.